Today I'm doing probably a short. So I was wondering how I get some light to my work service, and I was searching in the house, and what I find was this lamp. And it's not iron, so a magnet doesn't work. You can stick some plate on it, but why not do this? And you have your workspace covered. So maybe a little bit further away. There you have it. So then you have your, if I get a knife, oh, and I was pretend that I am sharpening and I did it right. Then you have light on your workspace. So what I've done is I drilled a few holes in my desk, and you can remove it. So for straighten it up, for now I use a plane, because you will see this 90 degrees. This 90 degrees. So if I want to search the middle of the angle of whatever, no, then I probably put them here, tie this up, tie this a little bit up, that you can move, but if you are happy with this and I'm happy with this, then you will tie it up and you have the correct angle. So maybe okay, maybe more light. Let's see. Yes. Okay. And angle will be okay. So you search for the right angle. Probably here. And it's okay with me. So then you tie it. And you are there. So it's portable, so you can get the bolts off and you have your space back. Only a few holes, and that's it. So and everything is straight again. You can tie down if you want to, but why? Why? And don't interfere with if you are stroking. You're stroking. You have your want to do it. Otherwise, you decide. No problem here. So, that is one of those things that you have in your mind, and yes, why not? It works, it works. Okay. First thing that we do is hey, bushes come along. You can see it, both sides. Okay, me, going to final grid. You'll see here. Oh, I'm sorry. see if it got the cigarette paper. Yes, it will. So, you can say this is sharp. Please, thumbs up, subscribe and comment somewhere over there. Thank you, bye bye.